Hello, good morning, my dear children. It's our 8th chapter from EVS, that is our universe. In this chapter, we are discussing about our universe. We know that we all are living in Earth, and we know that there is stars, and also we know that we can see so many stars in the sky. In the sky, we can see other planets also. All these things, that's our universe. Okay, the solar system, the stars make our universe. So let's read more about our universe in this lesson. First of all, we can see a box that's let's start box. Do you see the same things in the sky during the day and at night? Discuss in this class. Of course, we can see in the daytime the stars in the sky. As the same, of course, we can't see the sun in the night sky. So, this is not as the same in the day sky and also in the night sky. Okay. And the next one is, let's read. We see the sun in the day sky. We see the stars and the moon in the night sky. Let us learn more about the sun. The sun and the solar system. Just as we have a family, our sun too has one, which is called the solar system. That means the sun's family, the sun and the 8 planets, we can say the solar system. That's the sun's family. Okay. This solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, the moon, and some other heavenly bodies. The solar system and the stars make the universe. With the solar system and also with the stars make the universe. And the next, the sun is a star. Actually, the sun is a star. It is a huge, big, very hot ball of fire. It looks small to us because it is very far away. The sun gives us heat and light. Without the sun, life would not have been possible on Earth. Plants also need sunlight to grow. That means in this we are discussing the importance of sun. Actually, the sun is a star and it is a big ball of fire, huge, big, hot ball of fire. And without the sun, we can't live here. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun gives us heat and light. And the next we are discussing about the planets. 8 planets in the order of their distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and the Neptune is the farthest planet. Mercury is near to the sun and Neptune is very far from the sun. And the next, that is Earth, our home planet. You know that the Earth goes around the sun. All the other planets have moved around the sun along a fixed path called orbit. That means all the planets, they have a fixed path. They have a fixed way. That path we can say orbit. And here is an interesting box. It's interesting. The Earth is known as blue planet as it has many water bodies and it looks blue when see from the moon. From the moon we can see the Earth is like a blue ball because it has so many water bodies, so it is seen as blue. And the next we are discussing the moon. We see the moon at night. It shines in the sky, night sky. The moon goes around the earth. Draw the moon going around the earth in the box given alongside. In this box we have to draw the picture of a moon. The moon is very beautiful. We can see at night sky. If you observe the moon every night, you will notice that it appears to change its shape. Sometimes it is round like a ball. It is called the full moon. If it is a round shape, that we can say full moon. Sometimes we can see only half of it. This is called half moon. Sometimes the moon has the crescent shape. You know crescent shape? That is sometimes we cannot see the moon at all. This is known as the new moon. If we can't see the moon in the night sky, that we can say new moon. Okay. This is the phases of a moon: full moon, half moon, crescent, and the new moon. And the last topic, that is the stars. On a clear, cloudless night, you can see many stars shining brightly. Stars are also huge balls of fire and have light of their own. They appear very small to us because they are very, very far away from us. You know that the sun is also a star. That means we already studied that our sun, that is a star. All the stars are big firing balls, fire of balls of fire, huge balls of fire. They are very big, huge, but we can't see that. We can see that it's very small because they are very, very, very far away from us. That's why. Okay, and the next here we can see a let's check box. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the closest planet to the sun and Dash is the farthest. That we have studied. Mercury is the closest planet and Neptune is the farthest planet. Planets move around the sun along a fixed path. That is called orbit. Okay. Likewise, the planet, the moon, is goes round to the earth, that we are discussing. Okay. That's enough. Have a nice day. Thank you, dear children.